What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Orion protocol, which has pumped up over 30% in the last 24 hours and currently trading at $1.19. So where is this crypto heading to next? Can it potentially hit $2, $3 over the coming weeks? We're going to be looking at how is this predicted to pump up over the coming weeks, months, and overall in 2024. Can it potentially hit $10 over the long run as well? And mainly focusing on, is now the right time to buy it, or is it time to sell it if you're on a profit? And also covering its short-term and long-term prediction as well. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash the subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the daily chart, as you guys can see, and we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value hit, which is here at 87 cents. However, the crypto is trading at a much higher value here in red at $1.21, meaning it is performing very well and much better than expected. So we've also got the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis, but for now I'm just going to hide this and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we can see the blue and the orange line are looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction and looking quite steep as well, meaning this is not realistic guys. The only reason it's looking so steep is because of the major pump from Orion protocol over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks that the crypto is likely to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace. However, that is not the case because it's not realistic. So over the next 12 to 14 hours, by midday tomorrow to tomorrow afternoon, I'm expecting Orion protocol to have taken a little bit of a dip down to around just below $1.10 is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. Reason for that is it is slightly overvalued right now and it is likely to hit more red candles. Again, not right now. Right now it is likely to pump up a little bit higher, potentially to $1.25, $1.30 before it slowly starts to dip down to below $1.10 in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday. So do expect it to be quite volatile, but unfortunately the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. Now moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? The blue and the orange line are still looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction and looking quite steep as well, just like the previous chart, meaning once again this is not realistic. Exact same reason applies here. So over the next 7 to 8 days, towards the end of this week, early next week, I'm expecting Orion protocol to have gone through an overall drop once again down to below the $1 mark is what I'm expecting. So essentially for the rest of the week, it should go through a little bit of a price correction due to the major pump that's taking place. Don't get me wrong, the crypto market overall has also pumped as well, with Bitcoin going through a major pump over the last week, heading over $50,000, which it hasn't hit in over 2 years guys. So yes, that is huge news for the crypto market. However, in my Telegram group chat, I did advise that there's a price correction coming for the crypto market in general. Talking about my Telegram group chat, if you guys do want to get involved, the link is again in the description box down below. I give you guys regular updates on the crypto market, what to expect and what to predict as well. So back to Orion protocol here, we can see it is trading at $1.20, but is likely to hit more red days over the coming days, dropping back down to the below $1 mark is where I'm expecting it to be heading to. Moving on to the daily chart, again guys, this pump has made the graph think that the crypto is going to keep pumping. As you guys can see, the blue and the orange line are still looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction and looking quite steep. So once again guys, this is not realistic. However, in this case, over the next 6 to 8 weeks, mid to late April 2024, so approximately over the next 2.5 months, I'm expecting Orion protocol to have gone for an overall increase in value from where it is at the moment. Getting close to the $2 mark is where I'm expecting the crypto to be heading towards. By mid-year, it should be trading over the $2 mark, but again, it all depends on how the crypto market performs, and to be specific, how the Bitcoin halving goes. This will have a major impact on the crypto market, which I will keep you guys updated on as much as I can on my Telegram group chat and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, so far so good for Orion protocol for the long term, but for the short term, do expect it to go for a price correction. And for those of you guys looking to invest into it right now, make sure your risk management is on point, as I'm expecting it to take a little bit of a dip over the coming hours and coming days as well. So bringing on the Fibonacci scale, we are still trading in the red zone, and it is likely to hit the resistance target in potentially March and head into the green zone in late March and April, heading towards the $2 mark and potentially heading even higher by mid-year, and potentially even higher up to about the $4 mark towards the very end of the year is what my expectations are. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 1,200%, making it $55 million in trading, which is again a huge increase in trading for Orion protocol, as it is one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours according to Binance. As you guys can see here, it is getting a lot of attention from both buyers and sellers point of view, so there are a lot more traders trading the crypto right now. So as mentioned in the thumbnail, can this crypto hit the $10 mark? Yes, I'm expecting it to hit the $10 mark over the long term. However, not this year, guys. I'm talking about over the next 2 to 3 years. It could be way before that if the crypto market goes for a major pump, or it could be delayed to longer than that if it goes for a major crash. However, yes, I'm expecting Orion protocol to hit the $10 mark over the long term, potentially by mid to end of next year is when I'm expecting it to take place. However, you guys know how volatile the crypto market is, and things can change very quickly. So comment down below how high are you guys expecting Orion protocol to go in 2024, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.